Let's go! Yay! Enjoy, guys! Enjoy! I'm with Noah. We are going to Palongpong. Just enjoy. In front of Vloggers, I'm with my Ate Mardel. Tsaka, ay, shut up ko no, okay? Because I want to show them, Noah, show them the nice view, the rice field, okay? Barangay Tawog. See that? Pretty. It's Barangay Tawog. Next is Barangay Matinao. Wow. Wow, that's a boat. Yeah, water. Mom, water ko no. Want to swim? Swim? No. No. Wow. Woo! Yee, enjoy guys. More boat. Yeah, more water. Yes, more water. Wow.
There's no rice field, Noah.
Rice field. Wow, Noah. Wow. Wow. Look at that, guys. Mm. Look at that, guys. Ah, I'm here, guys. Wow, Barangay Matinao na sila. Ikaw ano sila? Oh. Sila ni signboard. So this is Barangay Matinao, guys. Just enjoy the view, guys, ha? In front of vlog, guys. In front of vlog. Thank you so much. Enjoy. Nindot ba ya po din he, kaso bahaan lang. Kanang anak ra po lagi ng baha. So uwan. Eh, simentado na ba? Woohoo! Do you like it, Noah? Oy, horse! 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 Ah. What's the sound? Mura magwikaon, Noah.
Enjoy the view wa kay karon man di pa yung kakahat.
Mao do.
Hindi sa oy pagpagpo pa to.
Hi. Hello.
Ay natatay ka na sa buwan na.
Oh, may problema. Ganahan ko kay nag-vlog to. In front of vlog. Yay! Enjoy, guys!
Naman nag-hair ni mama na ko.
Pag-hair na ko ni mama.
Sok-sok ra ko dai.
Ligo ka. Wow! Enjoy the view. Me. Guys, ahora nang i-upload dayon, guys. Just enjoy, guys. Barangay Matinao. Actually, guys, before, no more houses. A lot of houses here, guys. But right now, look. Matinao. Matinao. Wow. Look at this. Kuya's cleaning. Okay. Wow. Mom. Nasa di ay. Noah keep complaining the hair of mom. Bago. Wow, Matinao. Okay, yeah, this is Barangay Matinao. Okay? Oh yeah, you can play basketball right there. Stop. Yeah, no. You wanna stop? Ah, are you sure? Do you have friends right there?
Yeah.
Yeah. But.
Dai bro nagtakikit na siya dai.
Oh. Pero di naman nagtungtong doon sa ampin. Oh, di mama ha. Oh, di mama. Oh, that's canal irrigation. Yeah. Wow, look at that guy. Oh. It's a canal. It's very nice. The rice field. It's not yet. The fruits growing. Oh, guys. Ang ganda. So, this is still Barangay Matinao. Enjoy, guys. Actually, guys, we just coming right here. Ate Maridel, Mom's Mary Ann, she gave some few lechon to Ate, her aunt, Linda. So, thank you so much again for all the blessings. Oh, the doggy. Hey, doggy. Yeah, doggy. Nagkakulit with us. More houses now. Yeah.
Are you okay?
Are you okay, Mama? Okay. Yeah. Yeah, okay. More horses. Yeah. Let's enjoy.
Kaya.
Na, hi, Kuya. Hi!
Medyo kayo mga supporters sa mga bata ini.
Hi, guys. Kuya. Yeah. Hi! Hi! Say hi!
Pretty sa mga bata dere mo.
Friendly, no?
Mga supporters.
Guys, they're very friendly kiddos. Just enjoy, guys. It's been a while. Hindi apin. Wow. Oh, your hair, Mom. Okay. Just let me know that one. Okay. Okay. Mom. Next time, Mom, you should put ponytail on it, right, Noah? Yeah. Yeah. Remind Mom, okay? Okay. Mom, you should put ponytail on your hair. Okay. Ponytail. Nagdagang mga parts na no water. Some parts didn't planted because no water. It's summertime.
Sa painting. Ano?
More palm
Palm
trees that you can make palm oil. Oil.
Dahil wala ka mag-isip sa awan dahil nagsay.
Noah, push it, push. Are you sure? Are you okay? Yeah, okay.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
You're not sitting right.
Yeah, sit properly. Push. Okay, push. That is big. Okay, just hold on. Kataon ko kasabay, ma.
Yan, nagtiwai na plastic.
Kay katay yung motor, grabe na gud putong serbisyo, dagkuan na ng lamian. Oh,
Ay, salamat na po kumin kay Mauray. Pilipilig siya.
mao lang kay.
At
Correct bitaw.
kira kay at least
Nakasabot,
sakra.
oh.
Dili kay ka na mapisa-pisa. Anak ko.
Bitaw na. Correct. Oh, wow, yeah.
Kira kay hindi mo mapisa. Pandi ay siya. Atay, scammer no tong saka to.
Mana sunod, ma'am. Dami mo gud dito ni Kuya. Dito ni Kuya bitaw.
Uli, bili.
Ma. Sige na dagon sila ko ano, gabon. Ma'am, gabon. Inhira ta? Okay, hold on. Guys, look guys, so pretty. Yeah. Na say hi to my vlog. Hi. Go. Dance Noah. Guys, Noah, he's very happy. Yeah. Let's go right there. Wow. Wow, pretty. Let's go na. So actually guys, we just give some we call that Andes or something food, the aunt of Ate Maridel, mom's auntie. So this is how it's looking. Wow. Na Ate Linda. Hi! Hindi pa ya. Look guys. Yeah. Look guys. Please come, please nanay, please nanay, hug, please hug.
Lajo lagi.
Wow, it's a peaceful here, guys. Yeah, I'm coming. Oh, it's very clean here, guys. Oh, very clean, very clean. That's her husband. It's nice, guys. So very clean, huh? Saray. Saray. Eh, ang daghanan tubig, oh. May water, oh. Uncle Ray.
Surprise.
Nay, hatag sa Ate Maridel.
Okay, jadi lechon.
Wow,
Di
look
ba
siya.
napabalik ka? Daghan na ha.
Ang panty, sunday.
Oh, di mo daw. Ang lahat ka na. Kano?
Guys,
Ay mo naman yung bag. Nangay ka na
that's the aunt of Ate Maridel. So this is the view. A million views.
Pista? Bawon ito kay wa man ko giapil lang amo awan ron bisiniya.
Uy, nindot ang day din ilang ko.
Ha?
Help ko na help. Help.
Ano?
Yee! Pineapple, guys. Pineapple. Kalami, guys.
Raon.
Water, guys, oh. Free na water. They had free water and that's their house, guys. You know. See, guys. See, guys. You can still alive here, guys. If you are...
Bigyoy ko dai.
Look, guys. What the... That's... No. Yeah, that's pineapple, look. They're searching pineapple more. More pineapple.
Di mo kay daghan mapinjahan dito te.
Actually, guys, Ate Linda, that's sister of the mom of my sister-in-law. No? So, yeah. This is their life here, guys. You know. And it's been how many years they didn't meet. They didn't visit. They didn't visit here. So since we have more lechon yesterday left, that's why Ate Maridel, she gave also as well for them. You know, so at least they will be happy too. Bless. Go bless. Okay na. Bless.
Tatay.
Go bless.
Ginoo si Undoy.
Hello, Ming. The cook right here, guys. The cook right here. Silly. Bye, guys. Yes. Bye, guys. Si bye. 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 So I will take pictures to them, guys. Okay na.